Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to open real accounts on Metatrader 5. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to open a real Metatrader 5 account, you'll first need to register with a broker that provides MT5 services. After that, you will download and install the MT5 platform and then log in using the account credentials provided by your broker. Basically, Metatrader 5 is a trading platform, not a broker. You need to find a broker that supports MT5 and offers real account. So here in the iOS or Android version, if you go in the messages section, you can find an option called login or sign up. So simply provide the credentials given by your broker and type it in. Then simply navigate to the file menu and select open an account. Simply choose the open a live account option and you may be asked to provide further information like on the on-screen prompts. So this is how you can simply open real account on Metatrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.